Your car's oxygen sensor is like a chef's taste tester. It makes sure the air-fuel mix in your engine is just right. But what happens when it goes bad? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about oxygen sensors in a way you'll actually enjoy. Let's hit the gas. First question, how much does it cost to replace an oxygen sensor? It depends. For most cars, you're looking at $150 to $500. Parts are $50 to $200, and labor can hit $300 if you're not DIYing. Feeling handy, you can grab a sensor online, a wrench, and save yourself some cash. Can you drive with a bad oxygen sensor? Sure. If you like burning money. A bad sensor messes up your fuel economy, increases emissions, and risks engine damage. So, fix it sooner rather than later. How do you know your oxygen sensor's bad? Look for these signs. The check engine light, bad gas mileage, you're filling up way too often, rough idling, misfires, or your car jerking like it's got an attitude. Black smoke, that's a screaming red flag. Testing an oxygen sensor is easier than you think. Grab a multimeter. A healthy sensor reads between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If it's stuck or unresponsive, it's toast. Or use a scan tool. It'll give you live data and pinpoint issues faster than you can say. Diagnostics. Now, let's talk codes. Here are 5. You might see if your oxygen sensor's acting up. P0130, circuit malfunction. P0131, low voltage. P0133, slow response time. P0171, lean air fuel mixture. P0420, catalyst efficiency low. So, where is the oxygen sensor? Look at the exhaust system. You'll find one before the catalytic converter. This guy measures the air fuel mix. Another one sits downstream to check if the cat is doing its job. Some cars have more, but they all work the same magic. So, now you know the scoop on oxygen sensors, what they do, what goes wrong, and how to fix them. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more car tips that actually make sense. Remember, treat your car right, and it'll treat you even better. See you next time.